Hello investors and traders, and welcome to the weekly market report with the market guys. I'm AJ Monty. If you've been following along with us week after week, you're probably thinking this is a magic trick of some sort because of the accuracy in what we forecast with regard to market action and price movement. So here we go. Once again, evidence in how well technical analysis works as a forecasting tool. Last week, I drew these lines here. I'll zoom in a little bit more so you can see this. I drew this line last Friday, and I forecasted that the market would go up with a resistance point up here around 181 for the diamonds, which is around 18,100. The market moved up exactly following my line, and believe it or not, came within 1 penny of the high that I drew right here. That's where the line ends. And then as soon as we hit that target, we fell off. Now, the important thing to notice is the increase in volume. I'm going to remove all of my lines right now, and I'm going to redraw lines as my forecast for next week. So again, you can see the accuracy and track the progress with us. The new resistance point is going to be this high. So I'm going to leave that as resistance. And we've recently broken below this low. We closed below that low, and the volume has increased. Now that's very bearish. So let's take a step back as I forecast what I think we will see. We're going to go down below this new support. I think we're going to break down below support. I think the volume is going to increase along the way as the profit taking starts to come in, and even some of the short sellers start to move in to push the market lower. So that's my forecast for the diamonds. If you look at the spiders, ticker symbol SPY, you'll see that again my lines are from last week. I drew this angle, said that we would reach this high right here. We did that early on. As soon as we hit this high, we dropped and fell back. Again, the volume is increasing now, so my forecast is going to be lower for next week. Let me erase all lines once again. If you'd like to take a snapshot of what I'm doing right now after I draw my lines, and then you could save that to, again, reference next week to see how accurate technical analysis is. So I believe we're going to break down below that support level, and then the former support will turn into resistance. So again, all signs are telling us lower for the diamonds and spiders, and let's take a look at the Russell 2000. This is the most accurate out of all the forecasts because last week I drew this line right here. I said that we would bump our heads against this former trend line, and then I drew a pullback point. So not only did we go up as I forecast, but we pulled back as I forecasted. And again, the Russell 2000 is showing bearish signs as well. So I'm going to erase these lines right here, and I'm going to draw the new forecast for next week, and I think it's going to be a continuation of this downward move. So I think we will see lower prices on the Russell 2000 right there, and I'll leave that in place. For the Qs, QQQ, that's the Nasdaq market, also known as the power shares. Again, right across the board, my forecast 100% accurate, and I drew the line here last week. I said that we would bounce off of this support because there was a bullish engulfing pattern right there. We did exactly that. We moved up almost in the same exact angle as I drew that line, and now we're seeing signs of weakness once again for the Nasdaq. So I'm going to erase all lines here. Right there, erase, and redraw a new support level down here from this low. I think that the Nasdaq is going to pull back and go right to that low. Whether or not it bounces, we'll have to see. But if you like to take a snapshot or a screenshot right now, go right ahead. And then from there, you can reference that next week as we continue to look at the markets. If you'd like to learn more about what we do at The Market Guys, just go to themarketguys.com, click on the video tab. This is a video library that talks about all the things that I reference each and every week. Feel free to go through there. These are very short videos, 3 to 4 minutes long. We call them market shots, and we give them to you as our gift so that you can learn how to read the technical signals like a pro. So this is AJ Monty with the Market Guys. Thanks for joining. Have a great week. So long.
This video segment is a small part of what the Market Guys offer through their educational products and services. If you are interested in any of our Trade Alert services, or you would like more information about our one-on-one mentoring program, simply contact us at info@themarketguys.com.